Hey Team Compel, it's Coach Laura coming at you with a challenge workout today. So we have a chipper. We have 300 total reps. We have 5 different exercises. How it's gonna go. You have 20 burpees, 50 neutral grip curl to press, 100 crunches, 30 jump squats, and then 100 high knees. So that's a total of 300 reps. I don't care how you break it up. If you wanna do 5 burpees, 5 curl to press, 20 crunches, 5 jumping jacks, and get all your 100 high knees done. However you want to split it up. If you want to do all 20 burpees, all 50 curl to press, get them all out of the way. Whatever you want to do, this is your workout. Rest when you need to. Make sure you have perfect form through all these exercises and get it done. I'm going to demo the workout here in a second, and let's get after it. That is your challenge workout for the week. Time yourself. Let me know how long it took you. Remember, perfect form, 300 reps. Let's get after it.